Babe, when was the last time we actually talked? I mean real talk, not small conversation.
I don't know, maybe we've just been busy.
But we live in the same house, yet I feel like you're far from me.
Maybe we just need space.
Space is not what we need, effort is. These days, you don't smile with me, you don't laugh, you don't even looking at me, sir.
Because anytime I talk, you just wave it off, so I stopped talking.
And anytime I reach out, you push me away.
Because I felt alone, even when you're right there beside me.
Why are you packing your bag? Where are you going?
I need peace. This relationship is draining me emotionally.
So you want to leave me just like that?
I'm not leaving us, I'm leaving the stress. If you want me to come back, you need to meet me halfway.
I didn't know you were hurting this much. Please, don't leave me. I can't afford to lose you. Babe, we can fix this, but we can't continue like before. Please tell me everything you need me to do in order to make this work. I promise to listen and not defend.
Talk to me every day, even when it's hard. Let's spend time again, not just stay under the same roof.
Date nights, no phones, just us.
And honesty, no silent treatment.
Complete honesty, even when it scares me. I've been scared, babe. Scared that one day you'll wake up and leave me.
I would never leave if I felt loved.
I shut down because I didn't want to look weak. I should have told you.
But you know I'll always listen to you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Tell me what's hurting you. No shouting, no defense.
I feel unseen, I feel unheard. I feel like I beg for your attention.
I'm sorry. I never meant to make you feel small.
I never wanted perfect. I just wanted effort.
Come, let's go make breakfast.
Together?
Yes, together. Let's go. We're not perfect, but we're trying.
Trying is all I ever wanted, babe.
Thank you for fighting with me.
And thank you for finally hearing me.
No more dying love. Let's grow again.
Together.
Sometimes the person you love is not leaving. They're just waiting for you to notice them.
Relationships don't survive by accident. They survive when two people choose to fight side by side.